Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add yourself to any photo in Snapseed. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapseed. Okay, and you simply need to tap here and select any random photo. So I'm going to select this one. Then you simply need to click on tools and click on double exposure and select any other image. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, and you need to adjust the photo to make it where you want. And let's suppose I'm going to add the photo here. Okay, and then you simply need to click on the icon on the top. Here you need to click on view edits, and then you need to click on double exposure and click on the icon that is in this middle. Okay, and then you simply need to click on this icon, and now you can see an image. You simply need to scroll in like this, and now you are going to erase this image like this. Make sure it is precise. Okay, and here I'm going to check that. Okay, now you simply need to click on that, and now you can see that I added curl image in front of Eiffel Tower. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.